Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Chrysler 300 in sport mode. First, locate the sport button, typically found near your gear shifter or on the center console. This button is clearly labeled for easy identification. Once you've found it, simply press it firmly. You'll notice an indicator light on your dashboard confirming that sport mode is now active. This quick action transforms your driving experience, offering enhanced performance and responsiveness. When sport mode is engaged, your Chrysler 300 engine and transmission settings are optimized for a more dynamic drive. You'll immediately feel a sharper throttle response, allowing for quicker acceleration. The steering becomes firmer, providing enhanced feedback and control, especially around corners. Additionally, the transmission's shift points are adjusted to hold gears longer, maximizing power delivery. This combination creates a more engaging and spirited driving experience. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support truly helps us create more content. On another note, just like your Chrysler 300 performs best with the right settings, your feet deserve the best too. Life's too short for cheap socks. I highly recommend Darn Tough socks. They even come with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. While sport mode offers an exhilarating ride, it's important to remember a few things. You might notice increased fuel consumption due to the engine's more aggressive mapping. It's best suited for moments when you desire a more spirited drive, perhaps on an open road or during a fun weekend outing. For your daily commute or city driving, switching back to normal drive mode will provide better fuel efficiency and a smoother ride. Enjoy the versatility of your Chrysler 300.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.